Hello everybody. Today I'm going to show you how to move the movie apps on your Roku. On your remote, there's an option button. This one right here. Click that. First you hover on the apps that you don't want to show up first. This is like the beginning of the app. I don't want Netflix because I don't have one, so I don't know why it's there. I don't want it there, so click this one. And you'll see this. Then you can scroll to move channel. Then you can move that channel all the way far away as you want. That's fine over there. And click OK. Now let's move. I like YouTube. Move it to probably the fourth one. Tubi is gonna be my number one because it's free, and come on, load. It's free and they have great movies. So let's do that again. So while I'm down there, oh, why did I click that? Duh. Alright, so let me move the YouTube. So click on the app that you want. Click asterisk. This one, yeah. Move. Then you can move it there. Then let me grab my Tubi. Asterisk. Move channel. I'll put this as my number 2. So, like I said, they have great movies. And so that's basically it. So I'm subscribed to Paramount. So again, this button here, click that, move channel, and we can move it down to my number 3. Yeah, you won't let me. I have to go all the way up there. Come on. Okay, it's number 1 now. I'll leave it at number 3. There you go. So that's how you move apps on your Roku. Just click this asterisk button and you can move it. And select on the menu and you can move it. Alright, that's it. I hope this helped you guys. Thank you for watching. I'll see you next time. Goodbye. Have a nice day.